Yan ang engineer namin guys, oh. Engineer na guys. Shout out, ma'am. Shout out sa mga workers. Oh, engineer guys, si Engineer Rina De Leon. Yan ang foreman namin guys, oh. Sipa guys, oh. Oh. Por, kumusta ang galaw-galaw, Por? Okay lang, yan ang foreman namin dito guys sa Admiral guys, oh. Ang sipag, oh. Tingnan mo yung pako guys, oh. Pinatuwid niya guys, oh. Nice. Shout out more, shout out. Rigor guys, sakpan daw guys. Sakpan daw si Rigor guys. Yan, dito sa Admiral guys, oh.
Ay, si Great Eye.
Oh. Ay, guys.
Bawal yan! Bawal yan!
Ano yan? Ano yun? Pulburon. Ano yun guys? Ringkot yun guys, ringkot. Maliit guys ba? Matik tingnan nyo, matik. Ito yan guys, oh, yung kasamaan niya guys, oh. Si Coco Martin. Oh, Coco Milon. Si Boss Julian guys, oh, nagpirit na guys, oh. Yun ang boss namin guys, oh. May kausap guys. Pati na mayari guys, oh. Boss Randy, shout out.
Shout out to all your followers and your friends and co-workers.
Yan, galing. Salamat boss, salamat. Yan guys, operasyon na sila dito guys. Operasyon na sila guys. Double time. Balik ka ba? Yan sila guys, oh. Busing guys, busing. Oh, nandun. Labas kayo ito, madam. Si madam guys, hinihika guys, narapan maghinga guys. Ayan ito, umandar ng barko guys. Oh, umiikot na guys, oh. GR! Ay, hindi makinig GR guys. Naduling nga guys.
Parang may naamoy ako hindi maganda.
Sit down. Ayan, gawa sa forma dito guys, oh. Yan. Ano tawag dito, Por? Kaidim, Por, no? Kaidim yan guys. Yan forma dito guys, oh. Ganito guys. Pwede ito magtayo ng 36 floor guys. Oh, ang gusto magpagawa guys, contact lang guys. John Zero.
Wow naman! Wow!
Zero sa Facebook guys. Ipalo yun lang siya. Magaling to na foreman guys. Yung katabi yan guys, oh. Yung makita yung kondo guys. Yan, nagtayo yan guys, oh.
Ang galing mo sumagot. Ang lakas makasa.
Yan.